So right now we have created all those individual list items, those we require for the time being. We have created this portfolio section and we have created another drop down list of this under this portfolio segment, and we need to make a little bit customization on it. For say if we head back to the style.css, there it goes. This is the main list item. Text decoration, let's put something for the alignment here. It should be in the center. If we put the parent list items text alignment into central position, so reload, there it goes, everything comes into its normalcy. So we can see that the sublist items text alignment is in the extreme left, and the main or parent list items text alignment, it is practically in the central position. We may make something additional right over here. So we have set this display to block and we have set this width to auto. We may add some different margin property to it. So margin top is 10 pixels here. So we have set this margin top to 10 pixels. We may set it a little. Instead of 10 pixels, we may put this 5 pixels right over here. Text decoration underline, it is not working well, so we'll be changing it to none. Here it is. And we may set this hovering color to something different. Hover, so the background, it will be this one. Reload, and we can see that we have a different background color for these individual sublist items. Now what is it we wish? We wish that in the first place, when the page is just loaded, this individual sublist item, it will be invisible to us, but whenever we hover on this individual parent list elements, then the corresponding sublist item, it should be dropping down or it should be visible to us. So in an order to achieve that, let's head back to our text editor, and in the first place all we are going to do, targeting this menu holder UL list element right over here, because as we have told you that our main target is this individual sublist item of the corresponding main list element. So we'll be targeting the main list items first. That is why if we head back to our project, we will be targeting this UL list item of the main menu holder, and this is it in the first place. So on hovering this menu holder item, the unordered list elements along with its active links, it will be visible to us. So in that particular case, we need to select this one, paste it right over here, and here we will be setting this display to block, and here we will be setting this display to none. Reload, and we can see that this will be the obvious result. So the point is, whenever the main menu list or the parent menu list item is being hovered, then the corresponding sublist elements will be re-emerging into our page. We will be able to see them prominently, and we will be able to click on it and follow the link anywhere. So this is what we can do. We have practically targeted this main menu list item, and we have set into our property that whenever this individual menu holder UL list element is being hovered, the corresponding drop down sub menu list item, it should be appearing as been shown right over here. On the other hand, we may set some additional margin to it, like this menu holder. We may set here this margin bottom as 10 pixels, and we may set a border bottom of 1 pixel solid, and for say this will be, now this is too dark I guess, so we will be creating something additional like this. This one, CCC, press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload. We can see that this will be the result, and we may discard off this background right over from here. Reload, and this will be the result. We are also able to change all this individual list element color property. So instead of this darkish blue, we may set something additional, some different color to it, like this one. Here it goes. So everything right now changes into something different. Everything now appears better, and the list item is on the top of the page. Then with a 10 pixels margin bottom condition, next comes the text elements, those we had created inside our project. So that's it for today's tutorial. This is the simple drop down horizontal navigation menu. In the next case, we'll be trying to make it a little bit of complex. We'll be trying to add some additional functionalities to it. So stay tuned.